peace, and wellness. This is your man, Dr. Will Hawkins Jr., CEO of Ancient Water Restoration. Now, from the largest to the smallest, whatever your water filtration needs are, Ancient Water Restoration Incorporated got your back. We got you covered. So as you can see here are our NASA-based water filtration systems. Yes, they were funded by and created for NASA. These are the best water filters on the planet. We have them, as you can see, with and without carbon. We carry carbon blocks, and we're about to start manufacturing our own type of carbon blocks here within the next few months. Here is one of our middle of the line industrial water purifiers. Now this system here can treat 80,000 gallons per day without chemicals. Do you understand? This is a real nanotechnology, and you can choose, you can engineer nanoparticle size down to 0.2 nanometers or up to 300 nanometers, right? And we also carry the OmniPure brand of filters, and we have our NASA-based water filters encapsulated inside of these technologies as well. And of course, I can't forget my partners at Matrix, at KX Technologies that manufacture the Matrix filters here. We literally have over 2,000 Matrix filters. So again, whatever your water purification needs are, if you have any questions, please reach out. You can consult with us, and we got you covered.